Hi lovelies, let me be real you guys. Basing on these two comments, I'm going to do a question and answer video today, especially on how to make money on social media and specifically on YouTube. And you can see also this comment is on how to promote your channel or how to promote your videos to go to 500k, to go to 100, okay, whatever you want it to be, whether 1 million. Everybody would deserve or would want to have 1 million. But this is a disclaimer, you guys. Me, as you see, Margaret Show, we are not financial advisors. We are giving you from our experience what has made or what has worked with us. We bring it on this channel to make sure that we chase poverty using our gadgets. These are the gadgets that by the time I came to know what social media is, most of you were handling smartphones. We are handling smartphones every day. They are coming every day, but none of us goes the extra mile to know why are they like this. But without doing it, I would love to say thank you to every engager, every person that you have commented on our videos, whether negative, whether positive. Thank you very much, because you increase on our engagement, and that's what we all want. However, I would want to tackle this video in two ways. How do we go to 500k views? This is the topic. I mean, if you're on this video or on any other person's video, you know we are talking from experience, or others are talking from what they know. What you do, what we give you is 1% to 2%. We are here to give you insights. If you want deep details, you can either go for masterclass, or you be like us, you deep down, you go researching and know what to do. Otherwise, you'll not get everything on the platter like that. Now, let's dive in, you guys, and talk about this. And I want to be real today. Let me be real with you for the first time, if I've never been real. Not every video will go viral. Out of every 5 videos I upload, in particular me, only one truly takes off. But guess what? I keep on uploading anyways. Why? Because every video builds my channel and my audience, without forgetting our major role, it is our income. We get passive income. Is it having 50 views? Is it having 100 views or 1 million views, or this one of like 38 views so far? They all contribute something to our channel. The crazy part is, even when my videos don't blow up, my CPM is always high. Let me give you an example of the recent one. This one, the CPM is 30 something, and my estimated income per 1k is 40 something. Then when you go to the videos with a lot of views, you're going to find CPM is 15 and estimated income is $2 or $3. So here we come. You have to know the game of social media. If you don't know this game of social media, you're going to run crazy, you're going to rant, and I expect that everybody that is coming on this platform, you should be building your social media platforms because you have a phone. I don't encourage you to keep watching other people earn. The more you watch me, I will earn. The more you recommend, even if you insult or put any negative, I will earn. I want you also, from 1,000 subscriber, I want to see you at least with 1,000 subscribers. So put it into action. So if you're a small creator struggling with low views, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to share with you my experience. And remember, this video was triggered or was started by this comment, which is so beautiful. I love it. But you know, people are like me before, when I didn't know exactly what people are doing on social media. It's not about views. Yes, some people want views. If you want views, you go to maybe to TikTok, to where. But if you're on YouTube, you should be knowing that it's not about views that gives you money. We are not about views. We are about value and money. So in this video, we're going to see the best practices to get at least 500 plus videos per video. Is it workable? Yes, it's workable, but not predictable. Some will not do anything and it will go to 500 views, 500,000, 1 million, and other things. The second one, we're going to see how to boost your videos for maximum exposure. As to this comment, we want to make sure that we can boost. Do you know how to boost? Yes, we know. There are some we do and some we don't know. We don't do. Then we are going to watch us and see why low views are not a failure and what to do instead. You guys, I always tell you, have your low views, continue. This is what we're going to see in details. Stick around because these tips will change your YouTube game, whether they are few or they are many. So the first one, I'm starting with best practices to get more views and go viral. I always don't like to talk about it because when you talk about these are the practices for you to get more views, and you find your last video is in 10, is in 20. It looks so funny. Even someone who is be looking at you will mock you and say, look at the person who is talking about getting more views. But these are things if you do them properly. Remember, the person talking to you is very busy. I'm on 9 to 12 hour job, but I get this small time to come and give you these insights. If you want every video to perform better, of which might not be, but this is what you should be doing if you want it to perform better. And it's not a must because you're not an algorithm. You need to follow the non-negotiable best practices. What are these? Hook viewers in the first 6 seconds. You know what? We've been singing or we've been hearing about this. We are trying to do it, but do you think it's possible? You know, sometimes it's not possible unless it is comedy. But if you can hook these viewers, have I hooked you? That's why you're still here? I don't think so, but that's what is supposed to be done. So people scroll fast. If your intro is boring, they are gone. Start with energy, ask a question, or tease an exciting part of the video. That's why you see sometimes we put a teaser. Then the second thing for you, the best practice is create click-worthy thumbnails and titles. I've tried and I'm trying. What I don't want to put clickbait. You find the title is talking something else and people are running and are getting something else. At least you'll find they are relatable, even if it is not as detailed as you want, because most of you want very detailed from A up to Z until you see money is coming out. But we are doing that. Then use bold text, bold text for contrasting colors and curious driven words. Example, I tried this al-haq. Now I'm making 500 a day. Have you seen most of the videos that I say I've made this? Most of you normally come. So try that, but let it not be off topic. Then the third one is make your videos engaging. When it is engaging, it gets watch time, and when it is having watch time, it means it will get viral potential, and when it gets viral potential, it gets money. That's it. The third, or before you do that, you cut out slow parts and keep energy high. Use parts. I use parts like for patterns to interrupt. Zoom in, text pause. You can zoom in, you can zoom out. You can put memes, and you can put B-roll clips. This one is all, you can do it. And I'm doing this for other YouTubers or other social media entrepreneurs. The longer people watch, the more YouTube pushes your video. I've seen that. Then the fourth is leverage your YouTube SEOs. When I'm talking about SEOs, it means so your videos show up in search engine. SEOs, those are searchable keywords. It is very hard for most of us. I'm trying to use some of the AI tools like ChatGPT, DeepSeek, Meta AI for WhatsApp and Facebook. They try to make for me. So you can also use them. Like for example, if you use this, you use high ranking keywords in your title, description, and tags. And these ones, they help you that your videos to go very viral. Example, your video is about making money with AI. Include terms like how to make money with AI tools for passive income, best side hustles. But some of you, when you find it like that and you go, you say, because you want direct things, then pin a comment with related keywords to boost your sales. I came to learn about it this recently. The fifth is promote your video on social media. Guy, thank you very much for bringing this question to me, or a comment or a submission. I really promote, not so much because I'm avoiding invalid traffic, but I promote them on other social media. We are talking about promoting promoting our videos on social media platforms. I do promote them, but I don't take it just so much because of my schedule. But if you have time there, promote your videos on other social media platforms. Now the major point is here. You guys, should we get worried when our videos are not getting views? No, you should not get worried. Here is the reason why you shouldn't get worried. It's frustrating, yes, I know, to see your videos not taking off, but here is the truth. YouTube rewards consistency. Every video adds up over time. Evergreen video, they keep on making money for years. Some of my older videos still bringing in daily views and revenue. Your next video could be the one. I've had videos get less than 2,000 views at first, then randomly they explode more month later. Remember this, even if you're not getting millions of views, make sure you get CPM, cost per mile, very high. It matters. A small creator in a high earning niche, that is like finance, can make more money than a big creator with a low CM niche. You guys, so focus on value, focus on your thing. The right audience will come. Don't be tempted, don't be there and get discouraged. Now for small creators and also new creators who are coming, this is advice for you. It's not about for you who is hiding behind behind a new channel and you're not a YouTuber. The person who is there, this advice is for creators and the people who have mind of creators, not you people who are going to say you talk too much. I talk too much because I have to. Yes. So for you guys, if you're just starting out, here is my best advice. Keep uploading even when no one watches. You can't go viral if you quit soon. No. Your next video can change everything. Study what works. What works well, and you can do it better. You can even go and watch a successful channel in your niche. What is working for them? I do every day. Then focus on one niche. Not every niche you're going to be there. Be consistent, because YouTube appreciates and promotes consistent channels. If one video is on finance, another one is on beauty, another one is on fitness, cooking, you are just confusing the algorithm. I was there like that until when I had to take a share. Don't compare your journey with others. For you, the day you start comparing your journey with others, you're finished. I do my thing. Some people grow up fast, others take months. Mine, I stay in my lane. I do what I'm supposed to do. I wake up and do what I've planned to do. I'll not think about who, what, unless I'm going to see how did you do this is better, I can do it also. So it's about now that you've known all this. Love you should not be your problem. What should be your problem is value and your niche and what you're focused to get. Now my question is, what is your biggest struggle as a YouTuber? Drop a comment below and we'll reply everybody, and even we can share what to do. You guys, don't give a deaf ear, because your next video might be the video that is going to make you grow, to make you be rich. See you in another video. Bye bye.